Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we mentioned in a previous video, Google Chrome has now been updated to Chrome version 98, which is the latest stable version. Not a lot to look at, not a lot of new features, but one of the things of interest is the 27 security flaws that are been fixed in this version. So this version actually fixes quite a few security flaws. So make sure that you go update by going to the upper right corner, going to help, and going to about Google Chrome to make sure that you move on to version 98 as of today, February 2nd, 2022. Now, of these 27 security fixes, 8 of them are high severity. So these are the most important, and these are the ones that need to be fixed in priority because they're easy to access and easy to exploit from the web. One of them is about safe browsing. There's the reader mode that has a high severity bug. There's a buffer overflow. Inappropriate implementation on full screen. There's the web search feature that has a problem. V8, which is one of the rendering engines within Chrome that has a security flaw. Screen capture has a problem. Thumbnail tab. So there's a few little things in there that are high severity that needs to be fixed. Then you have, of course, the medium security flaws, which are all the rest pretty much. So 18 are medium and 1 is low. So all sorts of problems in extensions and accessibility, all sorts of memory corruption possibilities, and so on. So just for that, you need to have your Google Chrome up to date. It is important to remember that this is the first and line of defense that you have against the internet. This is what connects you to the World Wide Web. So all you need is to go to a shady website, and not even a shady website, because some people say, well, if I go to the regular websites, I'm okay. There are websites out there that are totally fine, but have one problem, is they've not been updated recently and left alone for a long time. So security flaws appeared, and sometimes they are exploited without the owner even knowing about it. That's why your browser needs to be up to date and always being, with the latest security fixes. That's how you stay safe, especially if you encounter one of those websites that's trying to exploit a security flaw. Because the first flaws they're going to exploit is the one from the browser, and then they'll try to exploit whatever operating system flaws that exist for Windows, Linux, and so on. So it's very important to have your browser up to date. Once again, that update also means that anything that is going to be a browser based on Chromium, Edge, Brave, Opera, all of that will get updates also within the next few days. So that means all of these browsers, Chromium based, will need to be up to date to fix the security flaws for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.